nigga snoring. Man, hey, yo, close your mouth. Yeah, that was me. That was me. Yeah, keep your mouth closed, bro. Keep your motherfucking mouth closed. You know what I'm saying? Save all that weird ass snoring and shit. Anyways, back. Yo, I'm telling you, if this nigga snore again, I'm slapping fire out his ass. Wait a minute. So you see that? So now I told you to close your mouth. Now y'all heard me. Yeah, y'all see this. Y'all heard me. Okay. All right. Now you're just gonna keep on snoring. You're just gonna disrespect me, like, just blatantly disrespect me. Hold up. Wait a minute, bro. Hey, hold up. Your mouth open. Everything. See that? See that? Now. Wait. See? Now look at you. Look at you. Looking real stupid now because I told you to close your mouth. All right? Now, sweet dreams.